Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about an important topic for those living in the United States or planning to do so: how to use a credit card correctly. Credit cards can be powerful tools when used properly, and in this video, I'll give you some key tips to make the most of them without falling into financial traps. So, without further ado, let's get started. 1. Understanding your credit card. Before using a credit card, it's crucial to understand how it works. Your credit card allows you to make purchases on credit, meaning you're borrowing money from the bank to pay for your purchases. However, remember that you must pay back that money in full to avoid interest. 2. Setting a spending limit. It's easy to get carried away with purchases when you have a credit card. Set a monthly spending limit that you can comfortably afford. This will help you avoid unnecessary debts and maintain financial control. 3. Timely payments. Never, and I mean never, underestimate the importance of paying your credit card on time. Late payments can lead to additional interest and charges. Set reminders to ensure you make payments before the due date. 4. Keeping low balances. Try to maintain low outstanding balances on your credit card. A good goal is to use less than 30% of your credit limit. This is not only beneficial for your credit score, but also prevents debts from piling up. 5. Benefits and rewards. Many credit cards offer rewards and benefits, such as purchase discounts, travel miles, and cashback. Take advantage of these offers, but be sure to understand the terms and conditions to avoid unpleasant surprises. For example, let's consider the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. This card has an annual fee of $550, but wait! Even though it might seem expensive, it comes with many benefits that almost make the annual fee pay for itself. Here are some of its benefits. Get 60,000 bonus points after spending $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months since opening the account. This is equivalent to $900 for travel. Earn 3 points for every dollar spent on travel and dining worldwide, and 1 point per dollar on other purchases. Receive an automatic reimbursement of up to $300 for travel expenses charged to the card each year. Get a credit of up to $100 every 4 years for the application fee of TSA PreCheck, Global Entry, or Nexus. Earn 10 points for every dollar spent on Lyft rides. DoorDash discounts. Get a free Dash Pass membership for up to 12 months. No foreign transaction fees, access to airport VIP lounges, and benefits and other services like Instacart. I'll leave a link in the description for you to apply for this excellent card, and I also recommend doing your own research. 6. Review your statements. Regularly review your statements to identify any suspicious activity. This will help you quickly detect potential frauds and errors. In summary, a credit card can be a valuable tool when used responsibly. Set limits, pay on time, and take advantage of the benefits it offers. Remember that maintaining a good credit history is essential for future financial opportunities. I hope these tips are helpful. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial content. Until next time.